A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Everyone say with me. I want your lips movement. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Pray for knowledge. Rabbi
Therefore,
zidni ilma.
teach me ilma, O Lord, and increase my knowledge.
Very good job. Very nice. But you repeat after me. Okay? You can repeat after me. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Lord, increase me in knowledge. Article number 1. पहला कलमा तैयब. तैयब माने पाक. ला इलाहा illallahu Muhammadur Rasulallah. Translation. There is no God beside Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the prophet of Allah. Now, many students able to recite Arabic part and the translation part as well. Very well done. I must clap for yourself and give the shining star to you all as well. Just a minute, I prepare a star for you, then I will give it to you. You deserve a star because you learned the Arabic part properly and you can say the translation as well. So this is for you all. What is this? Star. So gradually we can go to the article number 2, okay, and the translation as well. But when we can show good manner, then teacher go forward smoothly, okay? So everyone sit proper, fold arms and smile on your face. I am not watching the smile on the face of Abrish. Now Abrish is going to smile. Ali Ghazi, you also. Anusha, Umar, I want to see the smile on your face. Cheyan, look at the teacher and smile. Very nice. Yay. Ania, smile on your face. Very good job. If you are willing to learn more, so you show your happiness on your face. Okay? So, we are going to start reciting the pray before eating meal. Remember, we learned the pray before eating meal, but not learn the translation. So first of all, I show the screen. Then you can see and read with me. Okay? Just wait. Yes. You all can see the screen? Nod your head and show your thumbs up. Then I realize you see the screen. Good job. So, a little bit bigger, I will do it. Pray before eating meal is Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Speak with me. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Translation. In the name of Allah, in the name of Allah, and with the blessing of Allah. Again I repeat, in the name of Allah and with the blessing of Allah. Again I repeat, in the name of Allah and with the blessing of Allah. Now I will unmute yourself and then we can recite this pray. Okay? First of all, I unmute you all. Because if I am not hearing your voice, I am not feeling good कि मेरे बच्चों को पता नहीं आया भी या नहीं आया, वो तो पढ़ ही नहीं पा रहे. Now unmute yourself one by one. Good job. Very nice. Yes. Now, everyone start. Bismillahi.
Bismillahi.
Wala.
Wala.
Wala. Barkatillah.
उधर देख के पढ़ो.
Barkatillah.
Barakatillah.
In the name of Allah.
In the name of Allah.
Speak up. In the name of Allah. And
In the
blessing
name of
of
Allah.
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 And blessings of Allah.
Anusha, read it. Anisha, unmute yourself, bete. Umar Danesh, unmute yourself. Yes, Anya, recite it with me. Abre, louder, recite it with me. Bismillahi wala barakatillah. Speak up.
Bismillahi.
Very good. Ali Ghazi, I am not hearing your voice.
Bismillahi.
Ali Ghazi, bete, look at me.
Allah.
Now translation. In the name of Allah
In the name of Allah.
and upon the blessing
In
of
the name.
Allah. In the name of Allah. I'm not hearing your voice. Louder. Shayan, Reha,
In
what's
the name
happening?
of Allah.
Abrish, Anusha, louder.
इधर
In the
ऊंचा
name
बोल.
of
In the name of
Allah and blessing of Allah. Very nice. Good
and
job.
blessings of Allah.
Very nice. Now
And
you
blessings
can learn
of
this
Allah.
pray also, the Arabic part and the translation part too. Okay, then gradually we can go forward to the pray after me. Understand? Okay, now let's start the circle time. Now cheer up first, everyone. Quickly, cheer up. Yes, smile on your face. Now, first of all, we show the screen of numbers. So the number screen is, now let's count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's count together. Everyone, I want to see the lips movement. Yes, you can count it, everyone. I am watching to all of you. Yes, Abrish, very good, Abrish. Very good, Shayan. Well done, Anusha. I am watching you. Very good, Ali Ghazi. Look at the screen and count the number. Yes, I am watching you. Good job. Very nice. Well done. Yes, Umar Danesh, I am not watching your lip. Ania, show your face, bete. I didn't see you. I just see your hairband, which has white color. Umar, sit proper, please. If you are not listening to me, I will not talk to you. Very good. So after numbers counting, we can count backward as well. Okay? So I will share the backward screen too. And then you can start backward counting. Did you see the screen? Nod your head. Show me your thumb. Then I realize you can see the screen. Everyone, nod your head. Good. Did you see the screen? The rocket is going up and coming down as well. So we can count. No, screen is not showing. Okay, let me again. Just wait. Just wait. Did you see the screen? Show me your thumbs up. You see the screen? No, still not. Still not. Okay, just wait. Just wait. We screen on mobile too. I have a picture in the mobile as well. Don't worry about it. You can see the picture in the mobile as well. Okay? Teacher have the options and show to you. Did you see this? Did you see? No? Still not? Yeah? Did you see? Nod your head or show your thumbs up. Oh, Shayan is watching. Yes. Who is watching this? Anya, look at me. Abrish, you see this? Rehab, you, everyone? Good. Now we will start counting. 10, 9, 8, 7. Speak up, everyone. 6, 5, 4. 3, 2, 1. Good job. I am watching the every baby lip movement. Good job. Now I will unmute yourself. Then I will listen to you. Okay? First of all, I will unmute yourself. Then we will listen. Yes. Now quickly unmute yourself. Now start counting in numbers backward.
चल 10 से शुरू करो 10
Counting with
All of them.
backward counting. 10.
Unmute yourself. Now start. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Count 10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7. Louder.
बोलिए
Can't hear your voice.
10
Louder.
9 8 7 बोलिए 10 9 8 7 8
10.
6, 5, 4.
6 4
6, 5, 4. 3, 2, 1.
3 2 1
3, 2, 1. We can go backward. 10, 9,
10
8,
9
7.
8 7
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My hand is hidden with you. Now again it's come forward.
10
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To this section. Very nice, Abrish.
आवाज ऊंची
Now
करो
for Abrish. Good job. Shayan, do it. Anusha. Rehab. Ali Ghazi. Umar Daniel. Do it. And keep your hand like this. 10, 9, 8, 7,
10 9 8
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then hitting your hand with the camera. So you can go backward. Very nice.
10, 9,
Well
8,
done.
7.
Good job. Okay, today we are talking about something new. Did you remember teacher tell you? We will join the class with a new topic and you use what at home as well. Please, all the mamas, listen to me attentively. On our YouTube channel, there is a video of parts of computer. I am trying to play here too. You can share with your child and try to understanding with that video. This video belongs to parts of computer. Today we are talking about the parts of computer. First of all, forward, okay? First of all, I share the video. Just a minute. Did you see the screen? Did you see the screen? Show your thumbs up. Mobile or computer. Someone is doing something with my watching you. Watch the video carefully, then I will discuss with it. Okay. Yes. Now I will unmute you all, but you don't make a noise, okay? Be a good baby during class and then listen attentively. Try to don't disturb to others. Now you unmute yourself quickly, then I will tell you something about the parts of computer. Yes, you can share this video with your child. It's available in YouTube channel of St. Gregory's, okay? And I will post this in my software as well, so you can check over there also. So today we are talking about, and we can do the creative work with the parts of computer as well. Today we are trying to make a mouse, okay? And you will rejoin teacher. You can get a excitement things. How can we make the mouse? So teacher will tell you, okay? Now, first of all, you listen what is mouse and what the mouse is doing. Mouse is a computer. Without mouse, we are unable to move our cursor to one place and another place. Don't make noise. Listen carefully. Don't make noise. Sit proper. Rayan, Reha, sit proper. Very nice. Ali Ghazi, very nice. And Umar Danish, Amresh, what's happening? Sit proper. Everyone, good job. Now, so the mouse is input device of the computer. Without mouse, we are unable to move our cursor to one place to another place. You can see my cursor is moving. You can see I am moving my cursor with the help of mouse. And it's look like a real mouse. It's look like a real. Yes, yes, Anusha, what you say? Yes, bete. Yes. You want to say something? Yes, I am showing the real mouse to you. Just a minute. It's a computer mouse. It is a computer mouse. The real mouse. This tail is called wire. This tail is called wire. And this is the mouse. It's look like a real mouse. जो real mouse होते हैं बिल्कुल उन्हीं की तरह उसी की तरह दिखता है. It has two buttons, 1 and 2. It has two buttons, 1 and 2. It's called right click, left click. It's called right click, left click. Okay? Yes. Which device is that? What is the name of this device? Mouse. Speak up. Mouse. Nice.
Mouse.
Again, repeat the name. This is mouse.
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 The
Look.
input device. The input
Mouse.
device. What is this?
Input
It's
device.
the input device. And it's look like a real
Mouse.
mouse.
बोलो.
It's look like a real mouse. Right click, left click. It has two buttons. Right click, left click.
Okay. Okay.
Amrish, unmute yourself, baby.
One and
Anusha, unmute. Good.
Mouse.
And Umar Danish. Umar Danish, unmute yourself. I want answer from your side. Amrish, unmute yourself. Yes, what is this? Everyone say together. What is this?
mouse.
This.
Yes, Shan.
Mouse.
What is this? Rehab, what is this? Mouse. Very good. What is this? Oh, mouse. Mouse. You can try to draw the mouse on paper as well. What is this? Again, I am asking, what is this? What is that? Mouse. Mouse. What is it? Mouse. And it is input device.
It is an input device.
Okay. Now,
Input.
Current,
Click right click
today's
and left
session,
click.
Colin, after 10 minutes, you
What
can
is
go
this?
drink some water, juice or milk and take some brunch and come back quick. I'm sitting in front of my computer. And
Break.
go to wash your face again. Okay? And then come back. Any question, any query you can ask.
Hey, Papa. Papa,
Rehab. Yes, Anusha. Any question? You want to ask something? I'm not hearing you, Anusha. Your voice is not coming to me. Speak louder.
up to 90. I count up to 90.
Poem kab sunangi? When you come back to the session, then we start poem, okay? Don't worry about it. So, Rehab, you want to ask something? Huh? Yes, Rehab. What do you want to ask to teacher? Yes, Rehab.
No.
Nothing? Just smiling? Huh? Nice smile. Yes, Ali Ghazi. You are just sitting, not talking to me. Huh? Speak up. Teacher से बात करते हैं ना? कैसे हैं आप? आपके हेयर छोटे हो गए? किसने कट करवा दिए? मम्मा ने?
Smile बस कर जा. Brilliant smile.
Bye bye. Thank God Ali Ghazi say bye bye to me. Happy to hear your voice. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ali Ghazi is not speaking with me. Just saying bye bye.
कल असेसमेंट के जो रिजल्ट्स हैं उसमें रिहाब का नाम नहीं है.
इस चीज में रिहाब का नाम नहीं है.
जो असेसमेंट के रिजल्ट्स थे आई थिंक वो रिजल्ट्स ही थे या कुछ और था जिसमें आपने एवरेज और बिलो एवरेज ये मेंशन किया हुआ था.
रिहाब का नाम है ना उस लिस्ट में.
मुझे नजर नहीं आया रिहाब का नाम.
यूनिवर्सिटी पे आप चेक करें. मैंने तो कल भी चेक किया था उसको.
हाँ लेकिन नीचे मतलब ये लिखे हुए थे कि एवरेज, बिलो एवरेज, अबव एवरेज, उसमें रिहाब का नाम नहीं था.
So we are trying to categorize the students, then we can do effort with them. Na? If the baby is standing in the below average, so need more concentration. If the baby is standing in the average category, so need some improvement. And if the baby is above average, it's mean he or she is ready for the prep fund. So these assessment for this evaluation कि हम देख सकें कि कौन सा बेबी किस जगह पे कहाँ पे खड़ा है और कितने लेवल पे है. That is the main reason.
तो रिहाब का मतलब क्या? रिहाब का नाम नहीं है इसमें।
ये रिहाब का नाम है, मैं आपको शो करती हूँ। अभी मैंने खुद देखा है और मैंने चूंकि खुद ही वो फ्रेम बनाया था तो मुझे पता है रिहाब का नाम है। शो यू मेरे मोबाइल पे, मेरे लैपटॉप में नहीं, मेरे मोबाइल में है वो डाटा। आई विल शो यू। नो नो now you can see.